Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're a bookworm like I am and you love putting together puzzles, then you are going to love this MiniCity Alice's Evidence book nook. I've always wanted to put together one of these book nooks, and this is my first one, so I'm definitely an amateur when it came to putting things together. In fact, I accidentally threw out some of the pieces and then had to fish them out of the garbage, so make sure you keep absolutely everything until you're completely done with the puzzle. I love the intricate and whimsical design of this box. They really gave a lot of attention to detail on things like the scroll work, Alice, the Queen, even the little cardmen. I found that this was a really fun project to do at night when I was just sitting in front of the TV. I put up a TV tray and all the things that came with the kit. You will need a pair of scissors to cut out the pieces of paper and to trim things off if you need to. I just love the LED lights and the fact that you can turn them on and off. It just makes it so much fun to put on a countertop, or of course with your books and a bookshelf. Our house gets really dusty, so I love that it comes with a dust cover so that I don't have to worry about getting any of the dirt or debris off of these tiny little pieces. I found the instructions were easy to understand and to follow. Just pay attention to the details and make sure that you're, of course, punching out the right parts as you put it together. Some of the parts are a little fragile because they're intricately cut, so just take your time and put together the pieces precisely. I think this book nook is so cute, and it definitely satisfies the literary nerd inside of me, and that's my point of view.